So, you know, I always brag about my girls in the office, but the next 4 days without the boys, we have removals and installs. So, I'm 2 men down. Did you know that, Craig?
What?
I always brag about the girls in the office, what a great job they do.
Yeah.
In the next 4 days, we have 3 removals and installs.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what the thought process is on that. Do they think that's the easiest job? Maybe? Do they maybe that requires the least amount of men?
I don't know. Maybe they didn't see in bold, no Corey or Mikey.
I don't know. Well, they wrote it, though, in bold. That's the worst will be on you, girls.
At least it's not in a crawl space.
Yeah. Oh, boy.
At least I got my most agile guys in
What
crawl
is it?
spaces.
Yeah, look, I got a knee brace on today after yesterday. Jeez. My body parts were just they were just decaying, breaking down. So today we're local. We have a 1,000 gallon tank removal, 275 install outside. So I will be driving a dump truck today. I'm gonna load 2 of them up. I could bring a Big Red and put enough dirt in Big Red, but I don't know how my access is at the site. So I'm gonna load up 1 truck with item, 1 with the topsoil. We'll leave the loaded one with topsoil here because it's only 13 minutes away. This way I know if I can have access to get in, you know, I know I can with a 4-wheel drive Mason, a smaller vehicle. So we'll go with that. I'll put about 10 mats into our newer Mason because that's going to pull the 40. And we'll use the Silverado to pull the full-length trailer, the install trailer, right? Sound good? All right, and that's it. We begin. Pray for all of us. Pray for us for the next 4 days, and those 2 boys that possibly think they're in France. Last week I showed you the mud flap off of our new dump truck. Got ripped off, so we brought it over to Johnny from the shop. Look at that. I guarantee if I put a level on that, it would be completely level, and if I put a 90 square on that, it would be, look at it. Dude's the best. John from the shop. He's on Pumpkin Swamp Road. Thank you, Johnny. Okay, we are here. Access does not look promising. That darn thing is probably all the way over here. Yep. Over there? Yep. Of course it is. Well, Mason dump ain't getting down that. Shit. Serious, man.
Nope.
Wow. I mean, seriously, when are we going to start doing site inspections?
It's a long way from home.
Wow. Dude.
Let's go.
It's 243 wheelbarrows to fill a 1,000. That looked like my best slope right over here where the damn telephone pole is. I mean, that doesn't look too bad. Do I risk it? Oh. All right, we're gonna stick the tank. It's a 1,000 gallon tank. One inch of water.
7 inches in it.
Craig's gonna clean the top of it. I hope you guys can clearly see what I'm talking about when I sit there and dig it. Look at the large area that's got to get disturbed, and I'm only halfway down to the tank. And that tank almost uncovered. Let's see how Craig and Sam did. Alright, there's a shovel down there. Good job. Okay, we have one small pinhole, and it looks like we've got some contamination here. So I put some in a bag, and we'll go up and test it on the PID meter. Craig has drilled the holes. Pulling the copper now. Okay, go ahead. It's not that bad, but okay, so there's contamination, so that'll fail it. We're gonna look for the holes here now. Okay, so I'm gonna go drive this truck down. But I'm getting so soft in my old age. I used to jump dirt bikes over 100 feet. Ah. What's the worst that could happen? Flip over, get trapped, buried by 10 tons of dirt. Not that bad. Got a machine here.
I hope that looked as close in the video as what I saw.
Okay, folks, whew, tired. It was 2 rough days right in a row. So we're done here. Tank looks good there. That's all topsoil. Sammy's about to seed right now. So that tank, it had holes in it. 2 small pinholes, had a tiny bit of contamination. PID meter, it was around 80. It was nothing. And I dug around and I looked for some more stuff. It was nothing. So we had to call it in the state because it failed with the building inspector. But I'm gonna close this out with a site assessment. Just gonna take samples. The samples will be acceptable. We'll write a site assessment closure report that will remove the spill number from the homeowner. We saved him a bunch. That's another fine job by Tank Masters Environmental.